Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Ciao, ciao.
Tata.
This one?
Please try to rotate your camera. Yes, this is perfect.
Okay.
Yes, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Hi.
Bye.
How are you?
Very good.
Good.
What's your name, friend?
This is Chris.
Okay.
I'm Steven, you know.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Johnny, please. Hi. Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
sir. How are you?
Good, thank you. We're a bit tired because we had a long day.
Okay. Okay. Let me finish shortly. Okay. Cause you are tired. We have a big digital marketing agency in our country, and we are a team member. Okay. We are working together. Johnny and me, we are team member, and we are working together. And we are
Okay.
promoting our clients any YouTube channel, Facebook page, any social media page, and also website through using digital marketing many hidden tips and tricks. Okay. And if you share your goal, I mean what's your goal and also your business details, then I can explain you and tell you how can we help you to achieve your goal. Please share your, if you do not have any problem, just share your target.
Yeah. Well, no, I mean my YouTube channel. Plus, I also want to have the exact same videos on a Instagram channel.
Yes.
So I want to have YouTube and Instagram with the same videos and the same promotion. And then I want it's more for the beauty industry, you know. So my target market are beauty professionals. So makeup artist, hairdresser, massage artist, nail artist, you know, all the people that work in the beauty industry. Also, beauty executives from beauty companies, beauty manufacturers, beauty product people that make beauty products, people that distribute beauty products. So all of the people that are in the beauty industry.
Yes.
And I want to have millions of followers.
Yes, yes, yes. Of course. Possible, no problem. Okay.
So also, we don't have a budget right now, but maybe in starting from December, we can have small budgets for promoting, you know,
Yes.
to promote.
Dear, let me explain first. Yeah. Achieve the goal is very difficult, you know, first time. Everyone and also you have to invest some budget if you want to achieve your target and also your goal. Okay. Cause if you do not promote your business, you have I know you have all the products and you have all the idea, but if you do not reach your targeted audience according to your target by promotion, you don't have any benefit from this business early, you know, right? Because at first you need to collect your targeted followers. Okay, then you can promote, then you can sales and also sales your service, product and anything. Okay, so you have to invest first. No problem. Yeah, Johnny already told me you have little budget for promotion. No problem. Actually, we want to help our clients from our heart and also honestly, cause this is our profession. Okay, and we want to provide the good result and also make a good relation with our each and every clients. We know your business is not for a short time, it's probably lifetime, right? So if your business is running good, you have to hire us again and again, right? We will get more opportunity from you, so that we want to provide you the good service from our heart, no problem, and also honestly. Okay dear, so we already know you have little budget for you, no problem, we can agree with you. Okay, because satisfaction is our first goal. We know that if we provide you the good result and also if you will achieve your target and also your goal to develop your business, you will definitely pay us a handsome salary, right?
Yes, if we achieve the goals.
Yes, no problem. So if we promote your video according to your target, we have to run ads by Video Boost. Do you know about the Video Boost?
Yeah.
Video promotion. Actually, we can promote any video using two way. Can I explain you to easier for you? Yes, first of all, we can share your video a lots of social media group. Okay, this is called organic promotion, I mean free promotion. If we promote your video free promotion, anyone can follow you, anyone can subscribe, likes and comments you. That would be anyone. That would be your targeted leads and also not your targeted leads. Okay, that can be the children and also that can be the matured person. Okay, anyone. But if you want to collect your specific targeted leads, you must have to run ads. Okay,
Yes.
You can hire us at first for a trial as like 1 week or 15 days, no problem, to justify us.
All right. Do you have a document, an agreement that we can sign together? Yeah, we just have to have it. We just have to have it in writing, our agreement.
Okay,
And
Johnny will send you the invoice. Okay. SEO friendly titles, need to optimize your each and every videos. SEO friendly titles, SEO friendly description, targeted hashtags to promote your video fast page on YouTube. Okay, we have to increase your SEO scores. People will find your video easily
Yeah.
by searching. For completing this type of work, you have to make Johnny's as a manager on your channel.
Yeah, manager.
Our communication, is it okay for you to understand?
Yeah. No, it's okay. Yeah. I'm open. So
Okay.
I have no expectations, and I have no I have no problem for you guys help me, I help you. We'll see what happens.
Yes, we will make good relation in future, and hopefully it will be the good deal. Okay, dear, thank you very much for your time. We are really appreciate for your time, and we are very happy
Alright.
to talk with you.